So how to install dating.com mobile app? So there is obviously a website, dating.com, and then you can just basically also install mobile app because it's so much faster to use this kind of apps on mobile. They simply meet people, view photos, create singles, online chat, watch videos, make friends. Get the dating.com app and join the world's biggest and brightest community of singles. We are the home of online dating. Discover the original and the best way to date and fall in love. Search millions of men and women. View spectacular profiles. Try the coolest features and get real success. Date near and far. Relax and chat. Match up the popular way. Go premium to boost your dating. So premium is only $10 per month. Premium lets you chat with regular members at no extra cost. Let's mingle without limit and try advanced communication with popular members. And that's what it is. So then you can just go and open the app, and then you can easily create an account with email, Apple or Google. Usually I'll just go with Apple because on iPhone seems for me is kind of the fastest way. Then you just need to confirm your email.